Okay, so I just thought of a cool video. Actually, I don't know how cool it is, but it definitely won't take long. So, this is an instance of how I would use it. I've gone back and forth different ways to kind of set up the gaming software. I plan on using Steam just because everything's on there. The hardware for the computer is gonna be Windows based, and just everything as far as managing the business will be, and like making social media posts and all that will be Apple. So that's one thing that I will say I've set up previously or before actually starting the business was for my personal needs and kind of wants to an extent. I have a full Apple setup. For me, I use an iPad. I have an iPad Pro 13-inch just because I also go fly, so the nano texture helps reduce glare and all that stuff. So I have kind of I'm going to say Mac Daddy setup. It's play on words intentionally. Um, but yeah, I have an iPad Pro 13. I am using a MacBook Pro from 2024, late 2024 with the M4 Pro chip for everything I'm doing right now. And then I'm going to get a external SSD that'll pretty much stay hooked up to it, but that's where everything's going to go and be stored on. And then I have a 4K monitor that I just hook up for dual screen purpose. Typically, when I'm working on the business or editing or doing whatever, or working for my personal day job, I go with the dual screen monitor, but sometimes I do set up all three screens. Okay, sorry about that. I honestly don't remember what I was just talking about. In the video, it seems like I only paused it for maybe a couple seconds, but in reality, it's been like an hour. So, yeah. But going back to the point, I was going to kind of show how I use ChatGPT. See, so it says new chat. So I'm going to click in here. I didn't even fully go through it. I just asked the question and then decided to make a video out of it. So this one was just how I wanted to organize like software. So simulator PC, right? This is what I mean. In the other videos, I said I go through everything and read what it covers. System, rig work, yep. Incredible. And something I forgot to mention is I have my ChatGPT on cynical mode, or like that cynical software or cynical version. Jeez. Um. So yeah, occasionally I get like a great one-liner, which it's pretty good at. And I'm pretty sure it picks up a little bit on how you talk, even like in its own version, because it started saying things occasionally kind of how I talk, and with my not cadence, just I guess my vocabulary. So it started doing that, which is fine by me. Treated like an appliance. So yeah.
Right, you're always in here.
And there's my sister. Yeah, so still doing this while living at the house.